GR Super right there. That thing is clean.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today is the day that I'm going to install the Joez exhaust in the car. Now it's been maybe almost 3 weeks. First I was gonna do it at home on jack stand. I was like, man, that's not gonna happen because the car is way too low. You can install it on the jack stand, but it's just it's painful. And then I went to a shop. They tried to ask me $480 plus tax to just install a bolt-on exhaust. I was like, nah, never mind. That's when my brother told me that he was gonna ask his boss if I can come here and use their lift. So it's a Sunday, there's no one here, so today is the day I am going to install the Joez exhaust in the car. Now everything is in the trunk, so I just have to bring the car in and put it on the lift and let the car cool off for a little bit because everything is hot here. So, and then we'll install it. All right, guys, let's get into it. The car is on the lift, as you can see. Now it's a little hot, so I'm just gonna let it cool off. So the first thing we're gonna do is take off the chassis brace, and we kind of remove the O2 sensors as well. And now I know why I have exhaust leak. You see, I'm missing the bolt right here and the bolt right there. Alright, we just got the chassis brace off. As you can see, it's on the floor. Now what we kind of do is remove the O2 sensor. So what you're gonna have to do is remove this right here and kind of pull it out so you don't twist the wires. Alright guys, just like that, we have the NVIDIA exhaust off. Now is the Joez exhaust. So what we're gonna have to do is put these two together, and then we'll install this one first, and then we'll go from here to that one, and then we'll put we scramble everything back together. I would say though, this Joez exhaust feels a lot lighter than this one, because that one, this part right here, the axle back, it's super heavy. Compared to these, they're super light. And the only one that a little bit heavier is this right here, the mate pipe. But this thing it's super light, and these two are super light as well. Now this is when it's good to have a lift at home. Now I'm trying to get a max jack at my place, but they're around $3,500 plus shipping and tax. You're looking at about $4,000. So that's something I would save to buy, because I don't like to just buy stuff on like credit cards and make little payments, or takes money out of my saving just to buy something expensive. So what I would do is save money, and then maybe around like May-ish or June I'll buy one, because it was super easy to get this off because it's on a lift. So let's put this back together and we'll be on our way to go. Do not use these, use the OEM ones because they're better. These are definitely better than those. Alright guys, just like that we are all done. This is the exhaust. Now we had a little bit of problems here because we were trying to figure out that hook right there. I guess the Nvidia one, it's like OEM, but this one right here it's not, so you just kind of have to move it around a little bit. So I think we're good. Let's put the chassis brace back and we'll be all set for a cold, well, not cold start, it's more like a warm start. As you can hear it, this one is a little bit deeper, and the Nvidia was a little bit like raspy, but that one is like super deep, and I think I like it better. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
Alright guys, just like that, I am driving right now. I have about 40 minutes to go home, so it's about 40 minutes away my house. So yeah, it definitely sounded a lot deeper. So I like that sound. It's not raspy, it's just deep. So yeah, man, so far so good. I like it. It feels fine. Let's do a little push. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I will see you guys when I get home, and we will end this video that way. So this morning it was nice and cool, and now it's hot. It's Florida. Anyways, I just got home, so the exhaust, the Jersey catback exhaust is on, and this is the NVIDIA. As you can see, someone is gonna buy it from me. I just have to check the price for shipping, and I'm pretty sure this is probably gonna be like 200 or 300 just for shipping. So we'll see if he still want to buy it or not. And the installation was pretty straightforward, except for in the back, those hooks, the one for the OEM goes like this on both sides, and then the Jersey goes from here and then just cross over it. So you just have to use a pry bar to get it to move up, and then after that you will be all set. And that's it for today. I will do a POV of the Jersey exhaust, catback exhaust, and then I will do a high side comparison between the Jersey exhaust and the NVIDIA catback exhaust. Alright guys, take care, and I will see you guys in the next one.